Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for gold for Monday, July the 27th. Well, another green candle today, and that means that the bulls have made a net gain for the day, and a fairly decent size body for recent trading, which means that they've made some solid net gain. One problem is that we have a shadow on the top, and that means downside price rejection, so the bulls weren't strong enough to close the market up at the highs, which is what we'd like to see as this trend continues to develop. The market is closed in the middle of the range, which means that the bulls have lost control of the market. They had control of the market earlier on, but lost control throughout the day. And also closing in the middle means that neither side has taken control, so it's not bearish as well. The market is basically neutral, so neither side showed any real commitment, although the bulls did make a net gain on the day. Now, interestingly though, we've traded up above the cloud now, and we've closed up above the Kumo, which is a positive sign for this market. We have a positive bias now with this closing up outside. Not a solid close, not as solid as we'd like to see, but still at least a close on a green candle, and that in itself is quite positive. Now, just looking at the other Ichimoku indicators, we have the Tenkan-sen on top of the Kijun-sen, which means that the market has a positive bias. The cross occurred a few days ago, but that happened within the cloud, which means that that the market is that it was not the strongest signal that we could have. It was a moderate signal, and the market should appreciate up to around 967, this area of resistance that we noted, a previous area that was resistance here, and we had some attempts at taking out that area previously a few months ago, and then or a few weeks ago, and then the market traded off from there. So that's quite a big area of resistance for this market. We need to trade through 967 convincingly, and then we have a swing high at around 990 and our way up to 1000. Now, if we do trade off here, we have that small area of support that we identified, which was at roughly 944, 945. So we could find support there if the market does trade back down into the cloud, and that was a previous area of resistance, as evidenced by the wicks or the shadows on these candles here. And then the shadows here show us that the market, that region acted as support for the market. So we need to watch the high of the current candle for the first time frame uptrend to continue on its way, which we should expect the market to do, as we're now trading up above the cloud, and we're trading up above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, which are both pointing up fairly solidly. So 967 is the area to watch.